Hey, what's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube with a brand new tire from Federal. Yes, these are the guys who make the Karaja MT, which you all know because you can hear it singing down the highway because it's quite loud, but it's actually halfway decent off-road and it's super cheap, which is why so many people have it. And now they have this, which is a show truck mud tire? Question mark? I'm not really sure. This is actually a very, very interesting tire. So you can see that it's a V-pattern directional tire, and it's branded as a MTS, which is mud tire and show truck tire or summer tire. But I don't really know that it would be superb at doing any of those things. In fact, on the side of it, it actually says not for off-road use. So what is Federal's point behind this? We'll kind of jump into it a little bit. Federal saw that there was a large percentage of the market, actually it's about 95% of truck owners, don't actually take their truck off-road, and that's 95% of people who actually do some sort of customization to their truck. And they wanted to make a tire that would be like show vehicle specific so that people stopped basically getting called out for running mud tires on their show vehicles, so they came up with this Federal MTS tire. So what it is they call it a hybrid tire, where usually when we talk about hybrid tires like the Nitto Ridge Grappler, we're talking about a cross between a mud tire and an all-terrain tire. In this case with the MTS, it's a cross between a mud tire and a UHP tire, or an ultra high performance tire, summer tire, or whatever the car world people are gonna call that. So like usually something that's pretty sticky, has a low tread wear rating, and is just good overall dry traction, not good in the wet, not good in the snow, not good off-road. So they combine that to make this. The particular one that I have in front of me is a 42 tall by 15.5 wide for a 24-inch wheel. When it comes to sizes, the smallest one they make is actually a 35, and then they go up to these big old 42s, and they only make them for 20, 22, and 24-inch diameter wheels currently. There is some talk about them expanding more into closer to like an OEM size tire, like a 275, 55 or something like that in the future. But for right now, they're gonna focus on these big show truck size tires. So I could definitely see people running these on like the show Jeeps, where everybody knows they're not going off-road anyway. They have American forces and they've got 100 grand stuck into them, so they might as well go with this show truck tire. There's no warranty on these tires or anything like that as far as mileage warranty goes, because they know that you're just gonna put these on your vehicle and then put it on a trailer to bring it to shows. All right, so a little more in-depth then as far as what is the actual tread pattern and how does this thing measure up. If you look, there's giant gaps in here in this V pattern, which typically on a regular tire I would say is for water evacuation or to clear out mud and debris. But on this tire, I mean, it looks like it should do that, but I don't know that it actually would. There is no siping. There is not one single diagonal cut across here where you would get any sort of off-road traction. I don't really know that these would do that well other than driving across the grass. And that's not something that I'm picking on Federal for. Even they said right in the reports that they've released is they know people aren't going to off-road this tire. People aren't supposed to off-road this tire. This is a show off-road vehicle tire, if any of that makes any sort of sense. So as far as width goes, if you measure all the way out to where these big giant chunks of rubber come across the sidewall, if I just kind of eyeball it up, measure across, it actually does measure out to a true 15.5 inches, which is pretty impressive because a lot of tire manufacturers these days, they sell you 12.5 wide and it's not quite 12.5 wide. And then as far as height goes, it's roughly as tall as me. So this is a 42, like I said. It measures out to about 41.5. So a little bit short there, but that's also pretty typical. Sizes can change a little bit depending on how much air you run in here and the weight of your vehicle and all that once they're actually mounted. But off of a vehicle, 41.5 inches tall roughly. One of the things I noticed too is this big old American flag on the side. And you look at it and you get pretty excited, and then you read closely and you see that it says made for America. So like most tires, this is not made in America. It's made overseas, but it says it's made for Americans with patriot pride. So that's that. As far as ratings go, if you're worried about something like that, this is actually only 8 ply rated, and it's a load range D, which seems kind of low considering the size of this tire. So if you're concerned about something like that, there you go, you've got the information. And then construction, if you are a guy that cares about that, we are looking at, according to the side of the tire, tread is 3 polyester, 2 steel, and 2 nylon, and the sidewall is 3 polyester. So now you have that information to do whatever you please with it. But that is the new Federal MTS. Let us know your thoughts on it. It'll probably be on the website relatively soon if you guys want to pick it up, but we're just trying to get your feedback. So let us know what you think of the new MTS tire from Federal, if you would put it on your truck, or if you don't like it. I think that's about it. Peace.